Hey you! Think your tech is safe in 2025? Hackers are smarter than ever, and one wrong move could cost you everything. Your data, your money, even your identity. Stick with me for the next 5 minutes, and I'll show you 5 essential tips to lock down your devices and stay ahead of the game. Welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're diving into something critical: securing your tech in 2025. Cyber threats are evolving fast. Ransomware, phishing, even AI-powered scams are on the rise. But don't worry, I've got you covered with practical, no-nonsense tips to keep your digital life bulletproof. Let's jump in. Tip number 1, level up your passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Weak passwords like password123 are an open door for hackers. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, at least 12 characters long. Better yet, grab a password manager like LastPass or Bitwarden to generate and store them. And 2FA, it's a must. That extra step, like a code sent to your phone, stops 99% of account takeovers. Set it up on your email, bank, and socials today. Tip number 2. Keep your software updated. I know those update pop-ups are annoying, but they're your shield against vulnerabilities. In 2024 alone, over 20,000 new exploits were found in outdated apps. Set your phone, laptop, and apps to auto-update, and don't skip those security patches. Pro tip: restart your router monthly to clear out any sneaky bugs. Tip number 3. Beware of phishing. Don't fall for phishing scams. These are fake emails, texts, or even calls pretending to be your bank or Amazon. In 2025, AI makes them scarily convincing. Rule of thumb: never click links or share info from unsolicited messages. Hover over email links to check the URL, and if it looks fishy, delete it. When in doubt, go directly to the company's official site. Tip number 4. Get a VPN for public Wi-Fi. Coffee shops, airports, public networks are hacker playgrounds. A VPN encrypts your connection, making it impossible for creeps to snoop. Services like NordVPN or ExpressVPN are affordable and easy to use. Here's a bonus tip: they can also unlock geo-block content. Just don't use free VPNs. They often sell your data. Tip number 5. Back up your data regularly. Ransomware can lock your files and demand thousands to unlock them. Don't be a victim. Use an external hard drive or cloud services like Google Drive or iCloud. Set automatic backups weekly and test them to make sure they work. Trust me, having a backup is a lifesaver when disaster strikes. So there you have it. Strong passwords with 2FA, regular updates, phishing awareness, a solid VPN, and consistent backups. These 5 tips are your toolkit to secure your tech in 2025. Start small, pick one tip today, and build from there. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tips to stay ahead in the digital world. Drop a comment below. Which tip are you starting with?